In last lecture we have studied general methods of preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Today we are going to study other methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. These methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones involve common functional group, but reactions involved for the preparations of aldehydes and ketones are different. Let us study first method of preparation, that is from acyl chloride. First we will study preparation of aldehyde from acyl chloride. Acyl chloride is reduced to corresponding aldehyde by hydrogen using palladium catalyst poisoned with barium sulfate. This is called as Lindlar's catalyst. This reaction is also called as Rosenmund reaction. In this case, this hydrogen and this chlorine combine each other to form HCl, and this remaining hydrogen goes to this carbonyl carbon to form corresponding aldehyde, that is RC double bond OH. Acyl chloride on reduction with hydrogen by using palladium catalyst poisoned with barium sulfate, that is Lindlar's catalyst, to form its corresponding aldehyde. For example, it is acetyl chloride on reduction with hydrogen in presence of palladium poisoned with barium sulfate, that is Lindlar's catalyst. In this case also, this hydrogen and this chlorine combine each other to form HCl, and this remaining hydrogen goes to this carbonyl carbon to form our desired product, that is aldehyde, ethanol. Then we will see preparations of ketones. Preparation of ketone from acyl chloride. First we will see preparation of aliphatic ketones. R prime C double bond O Cl, then R prime C double bond O Cl. Ketones are prepared from acyl chloride by reaction with dialkyl cadmium, that is this one is R. In this case, cadmium has partial positive charge and alkyl group has partial negative charge. This is also alkyl group has partial negative charge, and in acyl chloride this oxygen, it is more electronegative, therefore this carbon becomes partial positive. Therefore in this case also this becomes partial positive. Then negative part of dialkyl cadmium, that is this alkyl group approaches to this carbonyl carbon, and this alkyl group approaches to this positive carbonyl carbon. Then this pi electron pair goes to this oxygen, then comes back, and this chlorine with its electron pair goes away. Same in this case also, this chlorine goes with its electron pair as chloride and joins to this cadmium to form CdCl2, cadmium chloride. And what is that we have left is our desired product, that is R C double bond O R. Then in this case also R prime C double bond O R. These are ketones plus this cadmium chloride. This dialkyl cadmium, it is prepared from cadmium chloride by reaction with Grignard's reagent, that is RMGX. Another one Grignard reagent, that is RMGX. In cadmium chloride, this cadmium it is positive and this Cl it has negative charge. It is also has negative charge. And in Grignard's reagent, this magnesium it has positive charge, and this alkyl group it has negative charge. In this case also it has negative charge, it has positive charge. This alkyl group approaches to this cadmium, and this Cl with its electron pair goes away. In this case also this alkyl group, that is carbanion, goes to this cadmium, and this Cl goes away with its electron pair and forms MgXCl. There are two MgXCl, and what is that we have left is our desired product, that is R alkyl group attached to cadmium, and this is also alkyl group attached to cadmium, that is dialkyl cadmium. In this case, this aliphatic ketone it is prepared from acyl chloride by reaction with dialkyl cadmium, and this dialkyl cadmium it is prepared from cadmium chloride by reaction with Grignard's reagent. Then for example, acetone is prepared from acetyl chloride, then another molecule of acetyl chloride by reaction with dimethyl cadmium. In this case, this has partial positive charge, this methyl group has partial negative charge. This approaches to this carbonyl carbon, then this methyl group approaches to this carbonyl carbon, then this pi electrons goes to this oxygen, then comes back, and this chlorine goes with its electron pair. Same process takes place in this way also, in this case also, to form CdCl2, that is cadmium chloride. And what is that left is our desired product, that is CH3 C double bond O, then this CH3, then another molecule CH3 C double bond O, and this CH3 plus cadmium chloride. Its name is propanone, and this dimethyl cadmium it is prepared from cadmium chloride by reaction with Grignard's reagent, that is CH3 MgBr, then another CH3 MgBr plus CdCl cadmium chloride. This methyl group goes to cadmium, this methyl group also approaches to cadmium, then this Cl atom goes with these two electrons and joins to this magnesium, and this also Cl goes with these two electrons and joins with this magnesium to form MgBrCl. These are two molecules. Then what is that we have left is our desired product, that is CH3 attached to cadmium, and then this CH3 also attached, methyl group attached to this cadmium. Its name is dimethyl cadmium. In this way, acetone, that is propanone, is prepared from acetyl chloride by reaction with dimethyl cadmium. Then this dimethyl cadmium, it is prepared from cadmium chloride by reaction with this Grignard's reagent, that is CH3MgBr. Then preparation of aromatic ketones. Aromatic ketone, consider one example, that is preparation of acetophenone. Acetophenone is prepared from benzyl chloride, that is C6H5O C double bond O Cl. Then another molecule of C6H5O C double bond O Cl. Acetophenone is prepared from benzoyl chloride, by reaction with dimethyl cadmium. In this case, this cadmium has partial positive charge. This alkyl group, that is methyl group, it has partial negative. It has also partial negative. Therefore, this methyl group approaches to this carbonyl carbon, and this chlorine with its electron pair goes away. In the same way, this methyl group approaches to this carbonyl carbon, and this chlorine with its electron pair goes away. That means these two chlorine atoms in the form of chloride goes away to this cadmium. Therefore, it forms CdCl, that is CdCl2 cadmium chloride. And what is that we have left is our desired product, that is acetophenone. This C6H5O, that is phenyl group attached to carbonyl carbon, and this carbonyl bond, this carbonyl carbon, it is attached to methyl group, and in this way also this phenyl group attached to carbonyl carbon, and this carbonyl carbon, it is attached to this methyl group. That is, in this way there are two molecules of acetophenone. In this way, acetophenone is prepared from benzoyl chloride by reaction with dimethyl cadmium, and this dimethyl cadmium, it is prepared from cadmium chloride by reaction with Grignard's reagent. Then one of the method for preparation of aromatic ketones from acyl chloride is by Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. According to this reaction, benzene reacts with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, that is aluminum chloride, and when heated, it forms its acyl benzene. That is, in this case, this anhydrous aluminum chloride, it acts as a Lewis acid, and it forms one electrophile, that is electrophile is this acyl chloride reacts with this anhydrous AlCl3, and it acts as a Lewis acid. That means it has deficiency electrons, therefore it accepts electrons. This Cl with its electron pair goes to aluminum chloride to form Rc double bond O plus, that is acylium ion, plus AlCl4 minus, and this acylium ion attacks on this benzene ring, that is pi electrons of benzene ring, to form its acyl benzene. This acyl group, that is C double bond O R. In this way, it forms acyl benzene plus this Cl and this replaced hydrogen, they form HCl. For example, benzene reacts with acetyl chloride. When benzene is heated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to form its acetyl derivative of benzene, that is C double bond O and this C double bond O and this CH3. Its name is methyl phenyl ketone and another name is acetophenone. And this Cl and this that replaced hydrogen, they form HCl.